I also use ropes for unpinning boats. If I have a boat pinned against a rock and I can't get it off with just my hand, I can't reach it from the shore, then what I can do is I can try to lasso a rope around it. I could have someone who's maybe out in the middle of the river carabiner a section of the rope to it, and sometimes I can use a rope and use a mechanical advantage to pull on it using either many hands, many people, or using a Z-drag system or a vector pull. For those situations, I like to have a nylon rope, a little bit better use than a polypropylene rope because there's less stretch in them. Now, when I throw the rope, there are a couple of ways that I can throw it. I can throw them overhand. I just have to make sure that if I do throw overhand, I just don't go straight down to the water and lose my throwing options to my swimmer. I can throw from the side, and that's a great way to do it, especially if you're under trees, because if you're under trees, throwing overhand, you might get caught in a tree. So throwing from the side may not get as quite a good a throw. Or I can throw underhand. And underhand's great as well, but again, if there are trees overhead, or if you're in a pretty tight area, confined area, it's very easy to lob the bag straight up in the air, get it caught, or maybe hit the other side of the wall of the river. So you have to make sure that you get a good, accurate throw, that you aim to shoot for what you're throwing at, and try to get the rope over that swimmer's shoulder.